Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening my July Ipsy Glam bag, and I'm kind of excited. It took a long time to get here this month. I'm not sure if a lot of places are really following the 6-foot half capacity kind of rules that I know we have here in Arizona, but this is like a little past the middle of the month, and normally I get this like very beginning of the month. So let's go ahead and open this up, and as you can tell, I don't have much on because I want to try on everything that's in here. So let's go. So that's everything out of my bag, and just to show you how adorable this month's bag is, this is super cute. It's kind of like transparent. It really has like a 90s vibe for me, 80s or 90s, just because I grew up in the 90s, but a lot of the stuff that I had was from the 80s, so I kind of like mash them together in my brain. But really cute, really like this bag. Oh, that's so cute. It's got the little airplane on the top, like we're traveling by airplane anytime soon, and on the back it says Ipsy. So for the July 2020 theme for the Ipsy Glam bag, it is Take a Break, which kind of do. Oh, okay, I get it. So the little airplane on the bag isn't necessarily for air travel. It says airplane mode, your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize. Okay, I get you. I did not understand at first. So these used to be insert cards with information on what was in your bag, but I think Ipsy changed it. That's why I already pulled it up on my phone, because I kind of had a feeling this was going to happen. These are tips on how to, what is this, staycation, your ultimate beauty staycation. So tips on staycation. And on the back, your glam bag packing list, which isn't really what's in your bag, but how to enjoy your bag. So, okay. I do have everything pulled up here on my handy dandy cellular device. So we're going to go through. So the first item I have is from THEBALM Cosmetics. Doesn't say too much. Of course, you can click on it, but it just gives you a basic what this is. So this is the AUTOBALM Girl Power Cheeks on the Go. So adorable, so little. And it's in, oh, that's cute, Houston Street for girls on the go. Look at how pretty that color is. That is actually really nice. I think that'll go pretty good with my cheeks today, so this will be fun. Next item is from Sunday Riley. I believe it's this little guy. It kind of looks bigger here than it does here, but this is it. 9 cold press vitamin rich seed oils from Sunday Riley. Take a look. It's a little. Oh, that is adorable though. Does that have instructions? No, just ingredients, directions, massage as needed into face and neck. Cool. This little fella does a lot. So antioxidant and superfood face oil. I just want to smell it. Very minerally, I'll give it that. The next item was the brush I pulled out of the bag when I took out the glam bag. It was actually stuck in the shipping bag. But this is the Miss Glam brush. Super adorable. I love these. I have so many in like blue and purple, I think. And I believe this one is my first one in pink and gold. But look how adorable this whole brush is. Definitely one of my favorites. I reach for these so often. And it's so soft too. Love it. Next, we have this ARIUL. ARIUL. This. Oh, tell me your wish. Hand cream cute. So what are you? So it's a hand cream. Okay. So it is a tell me your wish cute hand cream, and it's in the scent Fresh Herb. Look how cute that is. And I want to say this is a Korean beauty brand because one, it says made in Korea, but two, there's Korean writing on the back. Pretty neat. I just want to smell. Okay, we got a little foil. I wonder how it smells. If it says Fresh Herb, that is cute. Oh, and this one, I actually picked this one because I was excited because I did not know this. And after like a few months of searching, here in Southern Arizona, or where I live, we don't have KOKIE cosmetics in our stores, like our Rite Aids or CVS's like people in California do. And I actually watch a lot of people on YouTube who live in California, and they're like, oh, KOKIE cosmetics, this, and I can't get a hold of any of it because I don't live there. But so this is the KOKIE Cosmetics Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Polaris, I believe. It actually matches my brush pretty well, so that was a cute coincidence for this month. So what I'm going to do now is pull my hair back. I'm going to put my hair back, and I'm just going to try on a few of these things. I do have sunscreen on my face already, so I'm going to just do a little bit of oil. And it comes with a cute little dropper too. I don't want to go too heavy. That actually feels really nice, and it's soaked into my fingertips pretty well. I really like that. It smells very herby, if that makes sense, which is kind of weird, but it does. Pretty nice. I'm going to come in with my Girl Powder AUTOBALM from THEBALM and just swipe some of this on. This came out pretty nice. It's really pinky, so I think that gives me a nice blush color, especially because it's like really cloudy today. But this actually looks like it's going to do good. I'm going to go ahead and put this on next. It is the KOKIE Cosmetics Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. I don't have too much experience with liquid eyeshadow. So I went ahead and applied this. And I don't know if it's like my flower headband or what, but I'm totally getting a cute spring fairy vibe off of this and the cheek combination. Love it. And I'm not actually going to touch my hand cream just yet because I already have oil on my hands. So just to recap on the items I got, the THEBALM Cosmetics AUTOBALM Girl Power Blush, the Sunday Riley face oil, tiny little thing, the hand cream, the KOKIE Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow, which I got it on and it looks nice, and then this eyeshadow brush or makeup brush, and it all fits in here pretty perfectly. I really like the bag too. It's super cute. I may have to use this in my bathroom just because it kind of gives off that nice clean vibe. Anywho, this was my July Ipsy Glam bag. Let me know what products you got in the comments down below. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and wear this the rest of the day because I'm really digging this. But thanks for hanging out. I will see you next time we do this Thursday, Sunday. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye.